Students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is from grammar conjunctions. So, first of all, let us know about what is conjunction. Conjunction, actually, it is a word. Word joins conjunction is a word which joins two words, or we can say phrases, or we can say clauses, or we can say sentences. यानी कंजक्शन वर्ड ही होता है और ये वो वर्ड होता है जो कभी दो वर्ड्स को जोड़ देता है, कभी फ्रेजेस को जोड़ता है, कभी आपस में क्लासेस को जोड़ देता है और कभी सेंटेंसेस को जोड़ देता है और उसी को हम कहते हैं इट इज अ कंजक्शन. सो दिस कंजक्शन it can be adverb, it can be preposition, it can be conjunction. How? For example, it can be adverb in one place. For example, I have seen this place before. I have seen this place before. Before here, it is a conjunction, but here it is used as adverb. Now, the question is, what is adverb? We have already read it. So, I can say, for example, adverb. For example, I can here give you an example of adverb. He runs quickly. He runs quickly. And now, if we can make an interrogative sentence for this, he runs quickly. How he runs? We can also say run is here a verb. How the action is done. So how the action is done? How he runs quickly, and this quickly is known as adverb. So adverb actually, we can say how the action is done, where it is done, when it is done, to what extent it is done. It is done. So adverb actually means how the action is done. काम कैसे किया जाता है. How? Here the action is done quickly. For example, where it is done. The boys play beside the school. When we say the boys play beside the school, and where the action is done, beside, and then it is also adverb. When it is done, for example, I rise early in the morning. I rise early in the morning. When I rise early, so early, it is also adverb. So adverb is actually how the action is done, where it is done, when it is done, to what extent it is done. So this conjunction is also can be adverb. So here I have seen this place before. When the action is before here is it is adverb of time. So then it is also used as preposition, and we have already in last lectures we also read about the prepositions. So preposition, you know, a word that is placed before noun. So here you see, I reached there before evening. Evening is here noun. So before. So this conjunction can also be preposition. And it is also a conjunction. I reached there before you came. You see here, I reached there. You came. And these two clauses, or we can say these two sentences, they are joined by this before, and it is conjunction. So now what is conjunction? Conjunction is a word that joins two words, that joins clauses, that joins sentences, that joins phrases. And it can also be, it can be adverb in one place, it can be preposition in one place, it can be conjunction in one place. Now types of conjunction. तो अब आपको कंजक्शन समझ में आ गया कि कंजक्शन एक वर्ड होता है जो कभी दो वर्ड्स को आपस में मिलाता है, और कभी दो फ्रेजेस को आपस में मिलाता है, और कभी दो क्लॉजेस को आपस में मिलाता है, और कभी दो सेंटेंसेस को आपस में मिलाता है. और ये कंजक्शन किसी वक्त प्रीपोजिशन भी हो सकता है, किसी वक्त एडवर्ब भी हो सकता है, और किसी वक्त ये कंजक्शन ही होता है. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ conjunctions. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinate conjunction, correlative conjunctions, and subordinate conjunctions. So let us see first what is coordinate conjunction. Coordinate conjunction actually is that which joins words, we joins phrases, we join clauses, we join sentences of equal rank. Of equal rank का मतलब है कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको इस तरह बताऊंगा कि जो कोऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन होता है ये ज्यादातर कंपाउंड सेंटेंस में काम आता है. यानी जब भी ये जोड़ता है तो ये इक्वल रैंक के जोड़ता है. इक्वल रैंक के मतलब ये है कि प्रिंसिपल क्लॉजेस, जब क्लॉजेस जोड़ देता है तो दोनों प्रिंसिपल क्लॉजेस होते हैं. जैसे कि हम कंपाउंड सेंटेंस में देखते हैं कि क्लॉजेस जो होता है कंपाउंड सेंटेंस में दो या दो से ज्यादा कंपाउंड ये प्रिंसिपल क्लॉजेस होते हैं, और हर प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज जो होता है इट इज जॉइंड बाय कोऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन. तो इसी तरह कोऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन जो है ये इट जॉइनिंग वर्ड्स, phrases, clauses, sentences of equal rank are called coordinate conjunctions. For example, nouns and nouns. It can join nouns and nouns. Here, Aslam and Rashid came to my house. So, Aslam and Rashid, they are joined by coordinate conjunction, that is and. And then verb and verb. He worked and played together. This worked and played, they are joined by and it is also coordinate conjunction. Adjective with adjective. Adjective with adjective. He is sad but hopeful, and this but is coordinate conjunction. Or we can say adverb and adverb. He spoke loudly and clearly, and loudly they are joined by and. And then phrases and phrases. He met me in the bazaar. Met me in the bazaar. Again at the station, and again at this, and is coordinate coordinate conjunction. So this again at the station and met in the bazaar, they are joined by and. It is also sentence with sentence. He worked hard. One yet is here. Coordinate conjunction. He failed. ये भी एक sentence है और ये भी एक sentence है, और yet ने उनको बीच में इस्तेमाल हो गया as a it joined these two sentences. So coordinate conjunction is the conjunction. It is these words for which joins the phrases, words, clauses, sentences of equal rank. Equal rank का मतलब है कि उनमें कोई they are never dependent, they are never subordinate to each other, they are always we can say कि they are always of equal rank. तो coordinate conjunction में जब हम देखते हैं तो इसमें जो कंजक्शंस होते हैं वो कौन कौन से होते हैं? एंड का इस्तेमाल होता है, बट का इस्तेमाल होता है, जैसे कि आपने देखा कि एंड का इस्तेमाल यहां पर हो गया, he worked and played together, or Aslam and Rashid. And but for example he is sad but hopeful, and we can also say he is poor but he is honest. So you know that but here as a coordinate conjunction. And इसी तरह yet का इस्तेमाल हमने किया, he worked hard yet he failed. And then also only का इस्तेमाल भी होता है, for का इस्तेमाल भी होता है, and or का इस्तेमाल भी होता है, nor का इस्तेमाल भी होता है. These are the coordinate conjunctions. Besides and therefore, so, also, hence, और इसी तरह whereas, however, otherwise, these are coordinate conjunctions. तो क्या आपने देखा कि क्या है कि कंजक्शन जो होता है वर्ड होता है, और वर्ड जो दो वर्ड्स को भी आपस में मिलाता है, फ्रेजेस को भी आपस में मिलाता है, और क्लासेस को और सेंटेंस को भी आपस में मिलाता है. तो ये कंजक्शन जो होता है ये कभी एज प्रीपोजिशन का भी इस्तेमाल होता है इसका, और कभी इसका एज एडवर्ब का भी इस्तेमाल होता है, और कभी कंजक्शन का भी इस्तेमाल होता है. तो उसके बाद हम टाइप्स लेते हैं. टाइप्स जो है कोऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन है, कोरिलेटिव कंजक्शन है, एंड सबऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन है. और जो इस वक्त हमने देखा कि कोऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन जो है ये सेंटेंस, वर्ड्स या फ्रेजेस या क्लासेस ऑफ इक्वल रैंक को आपस में जड़ा देता है. और कौन कौन सा है कोऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन? एंड, बट, येट, ओनली, फॉर, और, नॉर, beside, therefore, so, also, hence, whereas, however, otherwise. And this is coordinate conjunction. Now let us go for correlative conjunction. Here is an example. He worked so hard that he fell ill. That he fell ill. Or he could neither sit nor stand. He is both kind and honest. Either he or you have done it. She is not only proud but also mean. तो यहां पर आप देखिए, we are just going for correlative conjunctions. Here you see correlative conjunctions or conjunction, you know that it is a word that joins two words, that joins phrases, that joins sentences. And here, he worked so hard that he fell ill. अब यहां पर आप देखिए कि कोरिलेट क्या है, सो के साथ दैट है, तो ये कोरिलेट कंजंक्शन है, सो दैट. And here you see, he could neither sit nor stand. So neither sit, neither or nor. These are correlative conjunctions. And then he is both kind and honest. So here it is both. Either he, either or you have done it. Here it is also either or. And she is not only proud but also mean. Not only but also. But also. So these are known as correlative conjunctions. So correlative conjunction is they are used in the form of pairs. Form of pairs. ये correlative conjunctions जो होते हैं ये form of pairs में हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो ये भी सेंटेंस को फॉर एग्जांपल he worked hard. He worked so hard that he. So and that they are correlative, they are pairs, and they joined the worked hard, he fell ill. इसी तरह either ने he और r ने you यानी को जोड़ दिया, तो इसको हम कहते हैं these are correlative these conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions जब हम इनका ये कौन सा है, so that not only but also both and no sooner than though yet. बहुत सारे etc. So these are known as correlative these conjunctions. So what are the correlative conjunctions? They are in pairs, they are in the form of pairs, and they also join words, they also join these sentences, they also join clauses together, and these are so that, not only, both and no sooner than, though, yet, etc. These are known as correlative conjunctions. Thank you very much.